Want to speak English every day? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Spoken English. Today, we'll learn a woman's daily routine from morning to night. These sentences are easy. They're useful. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice every day. Let's start. Good morning. It's low 10 a.m. It's time to wake up. Let me get out of bed. I'll open the curtains. Let me open the window. What a beautiful morning. Fresh air feels wonderful. I'll make my bed. Let me fold the blanket. I'll arrange the pillows. The room looks neat now. I'll brush my teeth. I'll wash my face. The water is nice and cool. I'll dry my face. Let me comb my hair. Now I'm ready for the day. I'll go to the kitchen. First, I'll boil some water. I'll make a cup of tea. I need a clean cup. Where is the kettle? Here it is. The water is boiling. I'll add some tea leaves. It smells so good. My tea is ready. I'll make breakfast. I'll fry an egg. I'll toast the bread. I'll cut some fruit. Everything looks delicious. I'll set the table. I'll get a plate. I'll get a spoon. I'll get a fork. Breakfast is ready. I'll enjoy my breakfast. This tea is hot. It tastes great. I'll drink some water. Great job. You finished today's lesson. I hope you learned something new. Practice these sentences every day. Speak English with confidence. Keep learning. Keep improving. Don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.